we're going to record this clip to show additional setup instructions to initial technique video with the new resistance band. If you can see, this new resistance band is covered with material. It provides more durability to the band's life, prolongs band's life. Though because of the new structure of the band, we need to adjust the setup instructions. Usually when I work out, I would like to exercise my grip strength, so I'm going to get a hold of the band over the top, right here, on both sides. When I pull on the band now, band pulls away, so I have to squeeze with my wrist to hold it, and it strengthens my grip. If you do need to have straps around your wrists, you can do it in this simple manner. Put the nut of the band through that loop and press on it. It comes through and you will have a self-tying loop here. You can put your wrist in, tie it, get a hold of the band with your wrist. You can do the same on the other side. Put the loop in, press on it, put the nut in and push through. In the opening loop, put your hand, get a hold of the band. Now you have some on your wrists and you will not let go. You can start pulling. You can do the same for your legs. Your legs will fit here. If you put your feet in here, self-tying loop will go around your ankles. You can do leg sprawls. For the instructions for the leg sprawls, refer to initial exercise video. Additional setup that you can use those self-tying loops are for the penetration shots. If you put the loop around your waist, go with your body through it. Now, let me put the video a little lower. You can put it on your waist. The other end I will attach to the anchor point. I'll do the whole demonstration now.